Good afternoon to all. Today our chapter is growth and depreciation. That is exercise 2C from the book Innovative Math Books for class. Though the book is class 9, but I am going to explain chapter growth and depreciation. Exercise 2C. See the question number 1 what is given here. Just to see. Number 1, what is given here? Just to see. Mr. Gupta bought a house for rupees 40,000. What will be its worth in 2 years, means after 2 years, if it depreciates at the rate of 10% each year? Means rate of depreciation given, time given, present value given, what will be the value after 2 years? 2 साल बाद इसका वैल्यू कितना होगा वो फाइंड करना है. मतलब ये प्रेजेंट वैल्यू दिया है. इट इज प्रेजेंट वैल्यू गिवन इन दिस क्वेश्चन. मिस्टर गुप्ता बॉट ए हाउस फॉर मी. दिस इज प्रेजेंट वैल्यू. व्हाट विल बी इट्स वर्थ इन 2 years, मीन्स आफ्टर 2 years व्हाट इज द वैल्यू दैट यू टू फाइंड आउट. लेट अस सी. इन दिस क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज गिवन, फर्स्ट विल कॉपी द क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज गिवन इन दिस. प्रेजेंट वैल्यू ऑफ द हाउस इट इज गिवन 40,000. ओके, present value given 40,000, rate of depreciation that is 10% per annum, time given 2 years. Time given 2 years. Now, you have to apply the formula V is equal to V0 1 minus R by 100 whole to the power n. This is the formula. In case of depreciation, you have to apply this formula V is equal to V0 1 minus R by 100. Here V0 is 40,000. 1 minus rate is how much? 10 by 100. Rate of depreciation, time given 2 years. 1 0 cancel. That means 40,000. This will be 10 minus 9 by 10 into 9 by 10. 2 0 will be cancelled here. How much getting? 400 into 9 9 is 81. Just you have to multiply. See the what is the result coming. Just to multiply. This is 4 1 is 4, 0 0, 4 8 is 32. Yes or no? 4 1 is 4 and 4 8 is 32 and 2 0 here. That is 32,400. As it will depreciate, the value of the house after 2 years will be 32,400. That they are asking to find out. The value of the house after 2 years is equal to rupees 32,400. This is the answer of question number 1. I hope it is clear for you. This is the fully sum belong to depreciation sum. Question number 1, exercise 2C. Present value of the house given, that is 40,000. Rate of depreciation given 10% per annum, time given 2 years. Using the formula V is equal to V0 1 minus R by 100 whole to the n, and simplifying the result, 2 0 cancel here, 9 9 is 81, 400 left here. Just to multiply 4 into 81, 4 1 is 4, 4 is 32 and 2 0, 32,400. This is the answer. Let us go next question, number 2. Let us go number 2 question. What is given, just to see. Question number 2, it is given. Mrs. Sharma buys a flat for 2 lakhs. What will be worth in 3 years? Means what will be the value after 3 years if its value increases, means growth increases each year by 8%. In this question, what is given here? Present value of the flat given 2 lakh, rate of growth that is 8% per annum, and time given 3 years. Okay. So now you have to apply the formula here. V is equal to V0 1 plus, as it is given in rate of growth, R by 100 whole to the power n. This is the formula required to solve this sum. After that, just put here. Therefore, V is equal to between final value after 3 years. V0 is 2 lakh 1 plus rate of depreciation, rate of growth 8%, 8 by 100, 4 to the power n. Now n means here 3 years. N means here 3 years. It is coming 2 lakh. This will be 100 plus 808 by 100 into 108 by 100 into 108 by 100. Total how many zeros are there? 2 to 4 to 6 0. 5 0 will be cancelled. Total 5 0, 2 to 4 and 1 0 cancel here. What is left? 2 5 0, 10. That means you have to multiply 108 into 108 into 108 divided by 5. That will give the final value of the flat after 3 years. It is coming how much? Just to calculate 108, you have to multiply 3 times 108 into 108 into 108 whole divided by 5. Divided by 5. So the answer how much coming? 2,51,000. The answer coming 2,51,942.40 we approximately 2,51,000 the value of the flat after 3 years. Therefore the value of the flat after 3 years will be how much? Rupees 2,51,942 and 40 paisa. This is the exact answer. Okay, this is the basic concept of growth and depreciation sum from the exercise 2C. I hope it is clear for you. Try to complete more sums. Let me solve one more sums. See the question number 3, what is given here? Question number 3 it is given. John pays rupees 50 for a postage stamp for his collection. If its value appreciates, means growth, by 15% each year, what will be the worth in 3 years? This is the question number 3 given. John pays rupees 50 for a postage stamp for his collection if its value appreciates by 15% each year, appreciating growth. What will be worth in 3 years? Just see. Present value how much given? Present value of the postage stamp 50 rupees, time given 3 years, rate of appreciation means growth 15% per annum. Now, you have to apply for V is equal to V0, 1, appreciation means plus 1 plus 15 by 100, 4 to the power, n means here 3. Okay, now put the value of V0, present value, that is 50 whole into 1 plus 5 will go 5 3 are 15, 5 20. That means 3 by 20 whole to the power 3. How much getting? 50 whole into 23 by 20, 23 by 20, again 23 by 20. Now see how much getting? 1 0 cancel. 5 dead, 5 4 is 20. That's this is coming 23 into 23 into 23 divided by 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 160. Just to multiply, how much coming? 23 you have to multiply 3 times. 23 you have to multiply 3 times. That is 23 into 23 into 23 divided by 160 divided by 160. How much getting? 76 rupees 40 paisa. It is coming rupees 76 rupees 04 paisa, मतलब 04, not 40 paisa, 04. The value after 3 years will be how much? Rupees 76.04. 76 rupees 04, मतलब 4 paisa. Number 3 complete. Let us go next question. Next question number 3. What is given there to see? An old motorcycle bought for rupees 15,000 depreciates in value by 10% each. Rate of depreciation given. Find its value after 3 years. Present value given 15,000 of the scooter. Okay. Present value given. And the rate of depreciation given 10% per annum. And you have to find out value and the value after 3 years. Just see the present value 15,000, rate of depreciation 10% per annum, and time given 3 years. So now you have to apply the formula V is equal to P0. 1 depreciation means minus, growth means plus, 1 minus R by 100 whole to the power n. In case of depreciation, you have to apply the formula V equal to V0 1 minus. In case of growth, you apply plus. Therefore, V0 means what? Present value, that is 15,000 whole into 1 minus rate of depreciation 10 by 100 whole to time in 3 years. 1 0 cancel. It is coming 15,000. 10 minus 1, that is coming 9 by 10. You have to write 3 times 9 by 10, again 9 by 10, again 9 by 10, because whole cube given, and 3 0 will be cancelled each other. What is left? 15 into 999. If you multiply 9 3 times, what will you get here? 9 into 9 into 9. How much getting? 729. If you multiply 729 into 15, how much getting? The result is 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees 10,000 935. 935. So what is the value of the old scooter after 3 years? The value of the old scooter after 3 years will be 10,935. In this a few questions would have completed the exercise 2C. Number 1 to 4 have completed chapter growth and depreciation from the book Innovative Math Books. I hope it is clear for you. Try to complete the remaining part and follow the process of solving that I am doing here. Thank you for today's class. Next time do more sums.